What is it about the number 3.14159 that has captivated mathematicians for centuries? This seemingly simple ratio, representing the circumference of a circle to its diameter, has an allure that extends far beyond its geometric origins. Pi, denoted by the Greek letter pi, is an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation goes on forever without repeating. But what if, instead of shying away from this infinite string of digits, we could unlock its secrets and harness its power? For many, pi is nothing more than a mathematical constant, memorized to a few decimal places for school exams and promptly forgotten afterward. But what if I told you that pi holds the potential to unlock hidden cognitive abilities, enhance memory, and deepen our understanding of the world around us? The journey of exploring pi is not just about memorizing digits. It's about embarking on a mental adventure that challenges our limits and expands our perception of what's possible. This essay delves into the fascinating world of pi, going beyond its numerical value to uncover the profound impact it can have on our minds and our lives. If you enjoyed this exploration of pi, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Share this video and comment below where you're watching from. Let's dive into the world of pi together.
The human brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of synapses, is an organ of astonishing complexity and adaptability. Like any muscle, it thrives on exercise. And what better workout than grappling with the infinite digits of pi? Memorizing pi is not about rote learning, it's about engaging in a mental workout that strengthens memory, improves focus, and enhances overall cognitive agility. One popular technique for memorizing long sequences, including pi's digits, is the memory palace method. This ancient mnemonic device involves associating information with specific locations within a familiar environment, such as your home. By mentally placing each group of digits in a different room or along a familiar route, you create a visual map that aids in recall. The act of visualizing these numbers, rather than simply repeating them, transforms abstract digits into memorable mental images, strengthening neural connections and boosting memory capacity. But the benefits of pi memorization extend beyond memory enhancement. Studies have shown that engaging in mentally stimulating activities, such as learning a new language or, yes, memorizing pi, can help improve cognitive function and potentially delay age-related decline. The process of memorizing pi's digits requires sustained focus, concentration, and mental flexibility, skills that are transferable to other areas of life, from academics to professional pursuits.
Beyond its cognitive benefits, pi plays a fundamental role in countless real-world applications, demonstrating its practical significance across various fields. In astronomy, for example, pi is essential for calculating the circumference of planets, the orbital periods of celestial bodies, and the distances to distant stars. Astronomers rely on pi to make sense of the vastness of space and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Closer to home, pi is indispensable in fields like architecture and engineering. Architects use pi to determine the optimal shape and size of domes, arches, and other curved structures, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. Engineers rely on pi for calculations involving circular motion, oscillations, and wave phenomena, enabling them to design everything from bridges and tunnels to airplanes and spacecraft. Even the digital world we inhabit relies heavily on pi. Computer scientists and programmers use pi in algorithms for generating random numbers, simulating natural phenomena, and rendering realistic graphics in video games and animated films. From the pixels on our screens to the signals traveling through fiber optic cables, pi is woven into the very fabric of our digital lives.
The seemingly daunting task of memorizing pi's infinite digits becomes more manageable when we break it down into smaller, more digestible chunks. One effective technique is to group the digits into sets of 5. For example, instead of trying to memorize 3.14159265535, we can break it down as follows: 3.141592653589793233846. This simple grouping strategy makes the sequence less intimidating and easier to process. Our brains are naturally wired to recognize patterns, and grouping digits into manageable units helps us create mental hooks for recall. Imagine each group of 5 digits as a separate word or phrase, and suddenly, the seemingly random string of numbers transforms into a series of interconnected ideas. To further enhance memorization, we can assign a specific color, image, or even a musical note to each group of 5 digits. This multisensory approach engages different areas of the brain, creating a richer and more memorable experience. The key is to find a system that resonates with your learning style and makes the process of memorizing pi both engaging and enjoyable.
To gain further insights into the world of pi memorization, I had the opportunity to interview Rajveer Meena, a world record holder for memorizing an astounding 70,000 digits of pi. Rajveer, a mental athlete from India, shared his journey and techniques, offering a glimpse into the mind of a pi master. My fascination with pi began in school, Rajveer shared. I was always intrigued by the challenge of memorizing such a long, seemingly random sequence. He emphasized the importance of dedication and consistent practice, attributing his success to hours of daily memorization and visualization exercises. When asked about his memorization techniques, Rajveer revealed his reliance on the journey method, a variation of the memory palace technique. I create elaborate mental journeys associating each group of digits with a specific landmark or object along the way. He emphasized the importance of vivid imagery and emotional connections, explaining that the more memorable the association, the easier it is to recall the corresponding digits.
I bet you didn't know the names of the mathematicians who have shaped our understanding of pi throughout history, and those who continue to explore its depths today. The story of pi is inextricably linked with the contributions of countless mathematicians throughout history who have dedicated their lives to unraveling its mysteries. From ancient civilizations to the modern era, each generation has added to our understanding of this enigmatic constant, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity. One of the earliest known approximations of pi dates back to the ancient Babylonians, who calculated its value to be approximately 3.125. The Egyptians too had a remarkable understanding of pi, as evidenced by the Rhind papyrus, which dates back to around 1650 BC and contains a surprisingly accurate approximation of 3.16. The ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes of Syracuse is credited with developing one of the first rigorous methods for calculating pi. His approach involved inscribing and circumscribing polygons around a circle, gradually increasing the number of sides to obtain ever closer approximations of pi's value. This iterative process laid the foundation for centuries of subsequent work on pi, demonstrating the power of geometry and logic in unlocking the secrets of mathematics. Today, mathematicians like Terence Tao and David Chudnovsky continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of pi.
In this chapter, we will explore some of the fundamental formulas that involve pi. Let's start with the circumference of a circle, which is given by the formula c equals 2 pi times the radius. For example, if we take the Earth with an average radius of 3,959 miles, the circumference would be approximately 24,901 miles. Next, we have the area of a circle, which is calculated using the formula a equals pi times the radius squared. Using the same radius, the area of a circle representing the Earth's surface would be about 49,348,000 square miles. Finally, let's look at the volume of a sphere, given by the formula v equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. For the Earth, this would result in a volume of approximately 259 billion cubic miles. These are just a few examples of how pi is used in mathematical formulas to describe the world around us.
As we've explored, pi is far more than just a number. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity, ingenuity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. From its humble origins in geometry to its far-reaching applications in fields ranging from astronomy to computer science, pi has left an indelible mark on our understanding of the world. But perhaps the most enduring legacy of pi lies in its ability to inspire and challenge us. The pursuit of memorizing pi's digits, whether to 100 decimal places or thousands, is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for growth, resilience, and our inherent desire to push beyond perceived limitations. So, the next time you encounter pi, whether in a math textbook, a science article, or simply as a fleeting thought, take a moment to appreciate its profound significance. It's a reminder that even in a world increasingly dominated by technology and artificial intelligence, the human mind, with its boundless capacity for wonder and exploration, remains our most powerful tool.
The widespread fascination with pi has even extended to the creation of a dedicated day of celebration, Pi Day, observed annually on March 14th. This unofficial holiday, celebrated by math enthusiasts, educators, and students worldwide, offers a fun and engaging way to promote math literacy and ignite a passion for STEM subjects. Pi Day celebrations often involve a variety of activities, from pi recitation contests and pie eating competitions to educational workshops and lectures exploring the history and significance of pi. Schools and universities often organize special events, encouraging students to showcase their pi knowledge and engage in hands-on activities that bring mathematical concepts to life. Beyond the festivities, Pi Day serves as a reminder of the crucial role that mathematics plays in our lives. It's an opportunity to recognize the contributions of mathematicians throughout history and to inspire the next generation of thinkers, innovators, and problem solvers.
One of the most intriguing aspects of pi is its irrational nature, meaning its decimal representation goes on forever without repeating. But how do we know for sure that pi's digits never settle into a predictable pattern? The answer lies in the very definition of an irrational number. An irrational number cannot be expressed as a simple fraction of two whole numbers. Mathematicians have proven definitively that pi is indeed irrational, meaning its decimal expansion will never terminate or repeat. While we can calculate pi to trillions of digits using powerful computers, we will never find a point where the digits begin to repeat in a predictable sequence. This inherent unpredictability is part of what makes pi so captivating, reminding us that even in the realm of mathematics, there's always more to discover, explore, and marvel at. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, share this video, and comment on where you're watching from. Also, check out the links in the description to support our channel by making your everyday purchases on Amazon. Thank you for watching.